Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a powerful OSINT and private investigation framework used by cybersecurity professionals, digital analysts, private investigators, and OSINT researchers. This tool can help gather publicly available intelligence from sources like IP addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, usernames, and even images. It also includes features for network analysis such as DDoS traffic insights. Now, before we go any further, it's very important to understand something. This video is created strictly for educational and ethical purposes only. Everything demonstrated here is intended to help you understand how cybersecurity professionals collect and analyze publicly available information to improve security, perform investigations, and protect systems. I do not support, promote, or encourage any illegal activities, unauthorized tracking, invasion of privacy, or misuse of these tools. Using OSINT tools against individuals or systems without proper authorization may violate laws and could lead to serious legal consequences. Always use tools like this responsibly, ethically, and only in environments where you have permission. Now, let's get started. The tool we'll be using today is a Linux-based OSINT framework known as Intel Trace. It is built using both Bash and Python, making it flexible and powerful for different types of investigations. Installation process. First, open your web browser and search for Intel Trace GitHub, then press Enter. From the search results, click on the official GitHub repository. Here, you'll find the project files and documentation explaining how the tool works. Scroll down to the installation section. You might notice that there isn't a direct command provided to install the tool in your terminal. Don't worry, we can fix that easily. Now, I will switch to my terminal and navigate to the directory where I'm going to install the tool. Next, go back to your browser, copy the GitHub repository link up here, and return to your terminal. Type git clone, followed by repository link we copied. Then press Enter. After a few moments, the tool will be downloaded successfully. Now, let's move into the tool directory. Type is. This will list all files and folders in your terminal. You should see the Intel Trace folder. To enter it, type cd Intel Trace. Now we are inside the tool directory. Run is again to view all the project files. Next, we need to make the necessary files executable. Go back to the browser, copy the chmod command provided, and paste it into your terminal. After that, copy the final setup command and run it in the terminal. Before running it, you can type clear to clean up your terminal for better visibility. Now paste the setup command and press Enter. The installation process will begin and may take a few minutes. Once it completes successfully, the tool is ready to use. There are two ways to run this tool. First one is the graphical user interface, the GUI method, while the second one is the command line interface, the CLI methods. Let's start with the GUI method. First, GUI stands for graphical user interface, which means you interact with the tool visually instead of typing commands. Type /run.sh. This will start a local server on your machine. A local IP address will appear, click on it or open it in your browser. Now you'll see the dashboard. From here, you can perform OSINT investigations on IP addresses, email addresses, phone numbers, usernames, and DDoS analysis. There's also a section for analyzing and gathering intelligence report for a photo. Here, in this field, you simply enter your target data into the input field depending on the type of intelligence analysis you want to perform. All your results will be displayed and saved in the report section. Next, let's check the command line interface. Go back to your terminal. Inside the same tool directory, type python3 main.py. Press Enter. This launches the tool in CLI mode. Here, you'll find the same features as the GUI. IP intelligence, email intelligence, phone number intelligence, username intelligence, photo intelligence, DDoS analysis. The only difference is that everything is done through commands instead of a visual interface. This tool is a powerful example of how OSINT works in real-world cybersecurity. It is commonly used by cybersecurity professionals, ethical hackers, digital forensic analysts, private investigators, law enforcement agencies. Its main purpose is to gather publicly available information to investigate threats, track digital footprints, analyze suspicious activities, improve security awareness. Used correctly, tools like this help protect individuals, organizations, and systems from cyber threats. Before we wrap up, here's one final reminder. This video is strictly for educational and awareness purposes only. I am not responsible for how this information is used. Any misuse of OSINT tools for illegal activities, harassment, unauthorized surveillance, or privacy violations is strongly condemned. Always ensure you have proper authorization before performing any investigation. Respect privacy, follow your local laws, and use your knowledge to build, not to harm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity and OSINT content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.